Hello sweetie, welcome back to Mickey Roy's kitchen. Today we are making crunchy cookies. We have been making soft cookies, but today I decided to make crunchy ones. So I will list all my ingredients in the description and the amount I use. I have my flour. This is my dry ingredient flour, cornstarch, nutmeg and milk powder. I'll mix everything together, then I'll go to my butter and sugar, then I'll start mixing that one. So check the description. I'll drop all the ingredients and the amount I use. I have my butter. This is a half cup of butter I have right here. Then I'll add my sugar to it and mix it thoroughly. I will mix it till the color start changing and it becomes creamy. So mix it gently. And I want to welcome you all back to this channel. If you are new on this channel, if today is your first time, you are warmly welcome to Mickey Roy's family. If you are here, it is not a mistake that you are here today, because on this channel you do a lot of things and you will be happy to be part of this family. So please subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell to be notified anytime we drop a video. And I want to thank all my return viewers and all my new subscribers. Old subscribers, thank you so much guys for tuning in every single time. Have you seen? The color has changed and you can see how creamy and light it is now. So this is what we are looking for. I'll add half a teaspoon of vanilla to it, then I will mix again. Just look at how creamy it looks, and you can see the color has changed. So it is ready, and I'll add my flour little by little. With this recipe, I use 2.5 cups of flour. I'll use my hand to fold everything in. Remember to wash your hands. Remember to wash your hands when you are doing this. As you're folding it in, sprinkle a little bit water on it. Not too much. Just sprinkle a little bit to help the folding to come complete, because this recipe, because we want it to be crunchy, we did not add a lot of margarine, and the flour is like more than the margarine, so sprinkle a little bit water on it and to help the folding in go well. Someone will ask, why should I make a crunchy cookies? It's because it's delicious. Yes, it's delicious, and when you are eating it, it's like you are chewing biscuit. Amazing. And even if you are selling it and you are always, when you make the soft one and selling it, it's always breaking, you can make the crunchy one. That one is not easy to be broken because it is hard. Not that hard, but a little hard. So you are good to go. You need to try this recipe too. It's great. You try different things. So listen, yes, I'm holding it, doing everything I can to bring it together. You know, when the margarine is more in it, it becomes soft and it's easy to fold. But this one, the margarine is not too much soft. So when you sprinkle water on it, it helps it come together, but not too much of water, please. As you can see, everything has come together. And this, I will just cover this with a rubber and set it aside for about 5 to 10 minutes. I want it to rest. So then we will continue. After 10 minutes, let's unwrap it and start rolling, cutting, rolling and cutting. You know, at that point you see me, I did not even use a knife, I broke it. So you can start rolling and cutting it in shapes that you want. You can get the cutter in different shapes, but today I'm going to use the love shape to shaping my cookies. If you have not rolled a cookie or any dough before, see, this is the simplest way to roll it. Just apply a little bit of flour in the surface of the board you are using, and the roller you are using. Apply flour on it to help it roll perfectly. With my baking tray, I rubbed margarine in it and I sprinkled flour in it. You know the process. If you don't know, just rub your margarine in the tray and sprinkle the flour in it. Then make sure the flour goes everywhere so that the dough will not stick. Just look at these cookies, it looks so beautiful. And I baked this for 30 minutes. I bake it for 30 minutes and just look at it, it's crunchy and it's really good. Can you? Yes, this is it. Crunchy cookies. Please try this recipe at home and let me know what you think about this. Please try it. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye.